welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the mermaid. Here she is. Now, if she looks like any mermaid in particular, that's just incidental. And you can do a weave towel, but this gets it all out of one balloon. So here we go then. So what you do, you get your 350 blush, you do about a 5-finger bubble. So about a 5-finger bubble, and then between a 1.5 and a 2-finger pinch twist. Alright, there we go, and twist these together. Then we get the hair. Alright, and for that you need a red, and well, I'll put her body down for a second rather than over the arm. Leave about a 5-finger uninflated. You need 2 pinch twists, between 1.5 2-finger bubbles. Get the knot tight around the second twist, and then take the knot over the top of those 2 twists. That gives you 2 pinch twists. You can do them singular, so I prefer to do them like that. Squeeze the air, and you need a 3-finger fold twist. So measure with a 3-finger fold twist. Alright, and then the top of the head fits to here. Alright, so get your blush, get hold of the knot, hold it nice and tight. And tie that around the 2 pinch twists. There we go. Now, come back, because this is a 5-finger, the head is a 5-finger bubble, squeeze the air, do a 5-finger twist here, and you want a 1-finger bubble, you pinch twist this, and then you have a 1-finger spacer bubble. So there's your 1-finger, and that gets tied around the pinch twist of the blush. Alright? Wrap that around, and then you've got to go back to the pinch twist, so another spacer bubble, 1-finger around the pinch twist, and that just pulls her head away from her neck, and I think it makes it all sit a little bit nicer. Hopefully you can see there. Then you come back up here with another 5-finger bubble, so squeeze the air along a little bit, 5-finger bubble, goes round the 2 pinch twists, and then we're going to split these 2 5-finger bubbles and put another the 260 in here, but it's going to be a 4-finger bubble, so that it makes these you know, sort of a bit more circular. Not sure what the phrasing is there, but I'm sure we get it. So about a 4-finger bubble, and push that. We'll go around now. Put that in there. Now the rest of the hair, sometimes you've got all these ridges. You can just go like this, and it just smooths it off a little bit. Get a little bubble here, 1-finger, 1.5, and put that round the pinch twist, put it around, and then I like that to go underneath. So we've got the pinch twist on the top, and the end of the balloon underneath, and then it pushes her hair up, and if you just go like that as well, it just makes it look like she's got flowing hair. Alright, now for the, there you go, and that's what she should look like. Now for the towel, this one, again, you leave about 5 fingers uninflated, do 3 3-finger fold twists, now squeeze the air along, 2, that round a bit, squeeze the air, 3-finger fold twists. Attach the body into here. Well, I might as well finish the towel off really, eh? You want between an 8 and a 10-finger bubble. Depends what you, for a, I'm going to go for about a 10-finger bubble there. And you need 2, oh, they're 1.5, aren't they? 2 1.5-finger bubbles. Twist those 2 together. And take the rest of the balloon over the top. That gives you 2 pinch twists. Get the end of the balloon and wrap that around 2 pinch twists. And then divide this, squeeze the air so it's nice and even, and it's going to be about here, so get it there, wrap that round the 2 pinch twists, and then have 1 pinch twist one side, 1 the other, and there we go, and the towel, just give it a little bit of a chop twist there, just give it a little, there we go. So if you don't want the fins at the end to be that long, you can make this longer. It's whatever's pleasing to your eye. Right, so the body, again, we'll do between a 5 and a 6 finger bubble. There we go. And then that will go around the 3 fold twists. Get that in nice and tight. Put it around a couple of times. And you should be able to get to, break off the balloon in your favourite method. But whatever you do, don't bite it. We'll tie that up because this coloured up down here. There we go. Right, so she sort of sits like this. I forgot to mention that I wasn't going to do the artwork. I'll show you a close up of the artwork. So now we need her arms. That's a 160, goes around the pinch twist. And I find that a 6 finger bubble is long enough for all arms. Alright, so it's a 6 finger bubble. And then squeeze the air, measure it, another 6 finger bubble. That will go down the pinch twist. Do that a couple of times. Get rid of the balloon. Do your favourite method. Again, you've got enough to make another mermaid there. And then have one arm on one side of the pinch twist, and one on the other, and it goes, looks like this. Now she needs her a bikini top. So it's about a 2 finger bubble. Alright, I put a knot at either end, and it's soft so that you can get hang on, try and get these about the same size. So there we go, and then this goes underneath her arms. I always have this nice and long here so I can easily get her nice to tie it up. He says, as he then opens it, let's go. We'll try that again, hold it to that goes under there, hold it nice and tight in a knot. Here we go, that's it, that's better. Hopefully, there we go. And then if we go like this, you can see, there you go, there's our mermaid. We can just about see the wood shot there. And I'll come forward so you can see the artwork. As everyone knows, I'm not brilliant at artwork, but I can just about get by. So let's zoom in. That's me just coming forward. There you go. So hopefully you can see the artwork. There you go. One with artwork, one without. All right. So thanks for watching. If you did want to hit the subscribe button, it's down here somewhere. Tell a few friends about BalloonTube, be much appreciated. And I hope this is of use to you. All right, so it's bye from me and it's bye from the mermaids. They're going to swim off now. Bye. Off they go.